Hi everyone, I hope you're okay. It's time for maths today, Friday's maths lesson, and today we are learning to compare statements. So we're going to be comparing different amounts and different statements, and we're going to be using the words greater than, less than. We're going to be doing some addition, some subtraction, and basically looking at everything we've learned this week and bundling it all into one. Okay?
So I've got some flowers here. These are my flowers, Miss S. And these are Mrs. Thomas's. Let's have a look. These are my flowers. How many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Mrs. Thomas has 2 flowers. But I decided that I wanted to get some more. So I went to the shop and I bought Mrs. Thomas 3 more flowers. So Mrs. Thomas had 2 and I bought her 3 more. Who has more flowers? Well, let's draw Mrs. Thomas's to help us a little bit. So we are doing 2 and we are going to add 3. So let's draw her 2 flowers. Oops. And we need to add 3 more. There's the 2 she already had. Now we're going to add 3 more. Okay, let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all together, all together, Mrs. Thomas has 5 flowers and I have 4. Who has more flowers? Mrs. Thomas. Mrs. Thomas has 5. 5 is a greater number than 4. If we look at it on a number line, 5 comes after 4. 5 is a bigger number, so Mrs. Thomas has more flowers. Okay, now we're going to have a look at a slightly different question. This says 6 add 1 is greater than something. What is 6 than 1 greater than? Well, first of all, I need to know what 6 add 1 is. Let's have a look at our number line and do the jumps. So I'm going to start on 6. And I want to find 1 greater. So I'm adding 1. I'm finding out 1 more. Now remember, if you're finding something that's greater, you're going this way on the number line. And if you want to find something that's smaller, so if you're taking away, you go this way on the number line. We are adding, so our number is going to get bigger. It's going to be a greater number. And we need to jump 1 time. So I'm starting on my 6 and I'm going to do 1 jump. What number have I landed on? 7. 6 add 1 is 7. 6 add 1 is equal to 7. But we need to find what it is greater than. So we're basically saying 6 add 1, which another way of saying that is 7 is greater than, so it's bigger than something else. So I need to find something that's smaller or less than 7. If I need to find a number that's less than 7, is it going to be one of these numbers? Or is it going to be on this side and one of these numbers? Yes, if I'm finding something that's less than 7, it's going to be on this side. So I can choose any of these numbers. I'm going to choose 3. 7 is greater than 3. It is more than 3. It is bigger than 3. 6 add 1 is greater than 3. Super. Okay, let's have a look at our subtraction one. 6 take away 1 is greater than something. Just like this one, I need to find out what 6 take away 1 is. So I'm going to start with 6 on my number line again, and I need to take away 1. So I'm going to find out 1 less. I'm going to do 1 jump from 6. Remember, if we're finding out something that's less than or smaller than, we're going to go this way on our number line. I'm going to start with 6 and do 1 jump. 1. I've landed on 5. 6 take away 1 is equal to 5. Now let's read our sentence. 5 is greater than something. So if it's greater than something, it's going to be greater than all of these numbers here, because greater numbers go this way and smaller numbers go this way. 5 is greater than all of the numbers that are smaller than it. So I can choose any of these numbers. I'm going to choose 4. 5 is greater than 4. Let's just check that. I'm going to draw 5 circles and I'm going to draw 4 circles. Which one is greater? Which one is there more of? Are there more circles here or more circles here? Here, 5 is greater than 4. There's more of it and it's a bigger amount. Okay, I would like you to have a go at the White Rose video, have a go at watching that, and then have a go at the worksheet as well. And you can record this in your home learning book. And then pop back in later for a little check-in and watch my plenary video and we'll see how we're getting on. Bye.